Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is a video I've promised to do for some time now, and it's just going to be kind of a short, sweet tutorial on how to do glitter lips. If you've been on my channel for a while, you hear me mention that I wear glitter on my lips often for shows and things like that, and so yeah, it's really simple and easy, but I know it sounds really intimidating, so I'm gonna show you how to do it today and kind of the products that I use and all that good stuff. Also too, you hear how I use like a black eyeliner on my lips, like one that is not good enough to use on my eyes, and that I use it for my lips and make like an ombre lip. I will also show you how I do that, because I do often pair that with a glitter lip, so I will show you both of those techniques today. I would love for you to subscribe and become one of my, what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. I do love to do a lot of Dollar Tree oriented makeup and haul content and all that good stuff. So if that sounds good to you, definitely hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you are returning, you may have been waiting for this video for some time, and thank you so much for returning. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So of course I've got my makeup on, so the last step is lips. So here is an eyeliner that I really don't like to use as an eyeliner. It's from the Dollar Tree. It's the LA Colors eyeliner slash brow pencil. This is in black, and it's really not a very good eye pencil, so I'm gonna use it for a lip liner today. So I just start by lining my lips. Now I tend to overline my lips a little bit. So there you go. It looks like I've made a mistake, like I accidentally took my eyeliner out of my makeup bag, out of my purse instead of my lip liner, and did not use a mirror, which has happened to people, I'm sure. And then I like to just kind of blur this just a little bit around the edges. See, we're already kind of getting that ombre effect. Now I'm going to take a lip color, and I do not have my red glitter that I like to use. I just kind of have this pink kind of holographic glitter here at the house. I've got my red glitter in my backstage dressing room at work. So we're gonna use this today. So I'm gonna do, so to kind of match this, I'm gonna do kind of like a berry type of a lip. So I'm just choose your favorite lip color. I do red, I do like a wine shade, I do berry. I've done pink with like a iridescent glitter before. You really can mix and match this any way you like. So I'm just gonna use this Finding Ferdinand brand lipstick, and this is in Very Berry, and just apply as you normally would. See, already that's pretty cool. You kind of get this ombre thing going on, which I love personally. Like I said, you do not have to do an ombre lip to do the glitter lips. It's just, I just wanted to show you both techniques today. So now for the actual glitter lip. So what I use for glitter is by the NYX brand. They've got these little containers of different colors of glitter, and like I said, I like to buy the red often. And then what I do is I usually put them in my own little containers from the Dollar Tree, just because they're a little easier to, they have like a wider opening, so they're just easier to get into. But I do use NYX brand. I'll have a picture of them kind of up here, so it's safe for your face and eyes and body. It's cosmetic grade glitter, so that is what I use. And they are very affordable, and they last me a long time. A little jar lasts me a long time. So then I just like to take a brush. I like to take something kind of on the medium small side, and like either one of these would work. I think I'm going to use this kind of flatter one today, but just take you a brush, something that you feel could get the glitter on your lips with as little mess as possible. So then I just take it and literally just dip it in the glitter. I'll tap it off just a little bit, and then all you do is press. And I'll dip it in as needed. I like to really concentrate it in the center. You can press it together just a little bit. You will have some get in your mouth. That's okay. It's not really all that bad, and it is cosmetic grade, so it is safe for you. I do not do this with regular craft glitter. I know people that do, but I do try to keep cosmetic grade glitter. And you can apply as much or as little as you like. You could just do like a little tap of your finger and really tap it off and go very, very light. I like to really kind of pack it on. I'm kind of going all over today. I'm just gonna be a little extra today. And then I'll just press my lips together just ever so gently. And then I do find a color switch really does help get the glitter off of the brush. So it's just as simple as that to clean up off your brush. And sometimes I'll get a little bit on my chin. I'll just take like a clean brush or a powder brush, and it comes off. And then this just comes off very easily with a baby wipe, a makeup removing wipe, anything like that. I find it really comes away very, very, very easily. So there you go. You got just a kind of over the top glitter lip. Like I said, the color combinations can be matched a million different ways, from your lip liner, if you use lip liner, to your lip color, to your glitter color. Any combination that you enjoy, definitely have fun and experiment. I do not usually do this with lip gloss. I do prefer a matte lipstick or just a regular lipstick. I will also use like a liquid lipstick that tends to dry down. I don't like to put this on top of any lipstick that is really shiny, so that's another tip. So yeah, you have a very over-the-top glitter lip, very simple, very easy to do, but I do hope that you enjoyed these tips. That way it's not quite as scary if it is something you want to try. So I do hope that you enjoyed this kind of short and sweet glitter lip tutorial. And if you did, show me you did by hitting the like button. I will have some of my favorite playlists linked down below in the description box so you can binge watch some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.